so freaking beautiful out there. You can't see nothing because it's getting too dark. Ugh, I'll point the camera down. It's just amazing. Okay, well, I'm gonna come back here tomorrow because I want to actually explore this trail. See you tomorrow. Welcome to tomorrow. So today was hot again. What is with this hot weather? I can't seem to escape it. It's cooled down a lot, so I'm deciding to go. It's not quite night yet. We're gonna go ahead and finish this trail. What you doing, Moo-moo, huh? Big rock, she has to stop and sniff. Across the way there, the house seems to have a teepee. That's pretty cool.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping into life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely
The Moo-moo, where's the Moo-moo? Growing with the flow. So, I'm not sure what kind of fish that is. Let me see. I think it's... I'm not sure. Oh, trout. Picnicking. All along this path they have porta potties, benches, in really cool places, right by the water as well, or just right in the middle of the forest. They also have picnic benches and some waste barrels. I have tons of these workout spots. This one is the low parallel bar. We're gonna go ahead and continue on. Such a beautiful path. And it stays pretty close to the river. I was like, what is that stuff all over the ground? Is it snowing? It's just like white all over the ground, but I think it's actually seeds from some tree or something. Looks kind of like cotton. You find something, Moo-moo? Or just sniffing around? Just sniffing around then. Beautiful river. Oh, there's another one of those exercise stations. The path splits off. There have been a couple trails that have split off. Probably need to get a map of this place and see where these other trails go to. But we're going to continue on by the river. Are you saying hello to the squirrely poo? Huh? Come on. Oh my God. It just gets prettier and prettier. This is definitely an amazing trail. I'm glad to be on my bike because then I can cover more distance. We're gonna veer off the trail for just a second because I see a building, a wooden building over there. I'm gonna go check out what it is, and then we're gonna get back on the path. Come on, Moo-moo, this way. Good girl. Oh, it's just rest. Oh no. What is that? Oh. Oh, how freaking cool. It's an obstacle course. Oh, that looks pretty. I don't know. There's tires hanging up and... So I'm kind of confused. Look at the ladder up to the tires. That's... it's a table. So it leads up to those tires. Wow, it's high. And then you have to walk across those rope thingies. And there's... Oh, that's, yeah. It looks kind of dangerous. I guess there's no net. There should probably be a net down there. Only thing else I see is a restroom up there, so we're going to get back on the main path. Moo-moo, now. Good girl. These views are freaking amazing. Look at that. This is a lovely, lovely trail. There's another workout station. And another bench. And a robin. There's been a lot of birds on the path. There's a pigeon. Oh, pigeon. Two pigeons. Well, it's nice that they have, oh, I could have just kept on going on because it just meets back, there's the trail I was on. So there's a restroom. It's nice to have restrooms on these paths. Oh, squirrely, squirrely. Wow. What's that coming up there? Looks like a big tree and a rock bench. So here's a remnant of an old tree that no longer has a top. Also, some rock bench. Let's take a look at that. Oh, how sweet. It's a memorial to Mark B. Griffin. Love, Joan. This is an awesome place for a bench. Nice views. So I can definitely say that this is one of my most favorite things, is to just explore nature. Oh, are we at the end of the trail, or there's a parking lot right there? Right, I was giving Moo-moo a little resty poo, so we're going to continue on. So there is another parking area, nice to know. The trail does continue on, so we're going to keep on following it. We've already been about almost 10 miles. We've been 9 miles, so... And Moo-moo is doing really good, aren't you, girl? Yes. We're not going to go that much further because it's starting to get darker. And of course, I'll put Moo-moo in the basket on the way back and just go faster. Ooh, look at that green field with the mountain in the distance. That's beautiful. And this big, huge tree. Wow, that's one big sucker. I decided to give the Moo-moo a break so she can relax a little bit while we just continue riding along this trail. Ooh, bench. Wow. It's so beautiful. Probably could sit on that bench for hours. But I have a trail to explore. Wow, look at the rapids. The water's moving really fast here. Wow, where the path comes under the bridge, the water is encroaching onto the path. Should we continue? Let me check and see how deep it is. Oh, I don't think it's too deep. I don't know, the sand's there, it could be misleading. I'm not sure, but it seems like it's gonna rain. It's a bit gray out. Thanks to Rock and Railroad for their support of the Arkansas River Walk trail system. Yay! And what a beautiful trail it is. This must be an old train yard. Look at that old passenger train. It's dual level. And some old railroad timber. That old caboose, I believe that's the caboose on the end of the train. Oh my god, that tree is freaking huge. They have some big trees on this path. It just keeps on going and going and going. Oh, neato. What a cool bridge. Goes all the way across the river. Yay, we get to cross the river. Oh wow, this is pretty cool. I think old bridges are so neat. Wow, it's pretty rapid here too. The water. Wow, that's some fast flowing water right there. Oh, pretty cool. They have a bike trail. Pump track is what they call it. Let me take it for a spin and see.
We must merely make a start. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk.
That was pretty cool. So they have some kind of cement pier that goes out over the river. That's pretty neat. Oh wow. Nice view. What do you think, huh? It's like, ooh, I hate water. Oh, those are some loud birds. I just got here. Moo-moo, are you making them nervous? So I take it this is a boat launch. Some chatty birds. There are tons of birds here. Moon's like, what's going on? I don't understand it. Just mingling. There's some type of building over there. It says Royal Gorge Route. And this is, I thought it was Canon City because the N has kind of a squiggly line above it. But a local said it was Canyon City. So I guess that's what it is. I believe if you take this trail and keep on following it, but it's quite a distance, it leads to the Royal Gorge. We're going to see how far we can get, right, Moo-moo? This is the map of the city's recreational area. Look how, geez, that's a lot going on. All the mountains and stuff. Ooh, pretty. So I guess that the path on the other side leads to that park over there. It's pretty neat here. Oh, cool, an old bridge. Wow, that's cool. That's one of the smallest kayaks I've ever seen. I know, that's neat. Oh wow, this is a really cool old bridge. Oops, they're taking a picture. Excuse me. How neat. Oh look, I have that same speaker over there. Oh, this is a neat park. Alright, we're gonna continue on. We have come to an intersection. The path does carry on that way. I think we're running out of time because it's starting to get dark. There's one thing over here that I want to look at real quickly before we head back. Wow, what a fancy entrance. So this is the Robinson Mansion, built in 1884 and has been placed on the National Registry of Historical Places. Seems pretty fancy. Let's take a look around. The gate is definitely ornate. Oh wow, look at that fountain. And the lights, and oh wow, it's definitely an ornate fountain. What a pretty piece of property. Wow, look at the house. That's amazing. Kind of scary looking a little bit, creepy. It's beautiful. I believe they give tours here because I see people walking around with cameras, and there seems to be some kind of event, like a wedding or something going on over there. Aw, or either prom. No, it is a wedding. Oh, how beautiful. Yeah, the top level looks creepy. It reminds me of the house off of Amityville, I believe. Oh, yeah, I believe there is a wedding going on. Alright, we're gonna continue on by creepy but beautiful house and property. Oh, fire engine. The terrain is changing, but we're still by the river. We're getting closer to the mountains. There's two sources of this river. That's pretty neat there. I'm not sure exactly where that goes to. Well, the trail has definitely changed. We've gotten into the base of the hills. It's just beautiful out here. So if you like to sit and relax with a beautiful view, they definitely got it here. Just amazing. I keep on wanting to turn around, but there's just so much to see. I keep on going. Lulu's like, okay, let's go. This is the John Nichols crossing. Here's some information. Not sure if you can read that. It's kind of small. All right, let's cross the bridge. Ew, these bridges are so cool. Entering private property. Stay on trail. Okay. Oh. Oh, it's another path that goes under the bridge that is washed out with water again. Yeah, that's a bit creepy. Oh, it's not too bad here. It's not deep like the other spot was. So this must be all private property. Oh, it's not as pretty though. It's just fencing and low clearance coming up. 6 foot 8 inches. Yeah, my RV wouldn't fit under that, but my bike would. Too funny. There's no dog poop ferry. Now that's a view to end with. It's beautiful here. Although it is right by the road. That's not too pleasant, but you've just got to enjoy what you can. I definitely want to thank y'all for hanging out with me today. It's been such an awesome day. Well, 2 days since I had to stop yesterday. I just got exhausted. But anyways, I'm going to go ahead and head back before we get caught in the dark. I love everyone out there, and stay safe and onward bound. Bye for now.
Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah.